Good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to do another page in my little fall book. I think this is page 13. I went ahead and did both pages of put the dictionary page down so y'all didn't have to watch me, especially since I messed it up yesterday. I'm only going to work on one page today though, and I have this ribbon. Got it at the Dollar Tree. It's like sheer, it may be netting, but it looks like just sheer organza or organdy of some sort, and it's got metallic flowers on, or leaves on it. And what I think I want to do is just put it on here, but I want it to be loose so it'll lift up. And I think to get it on here the best is to put it on first and then trim it, is my plan of action. I thought I would put it on with this washi tape, but of course this washi tape might not be sticky enough, so I thought I'd do a little line of glue under the washi tape. So that means I need a line right along this edge, and then a line on the organza. And basically what I'm doing is making the washi tape into a hinge. See, now I can lift this up, which I thought was really kind of cool. I love the way that this washi tape, the dictionary page is showing through the washi tape. Then if I go like this, I should be able to take my scissors and cut this off. That was my plan, we hope. Okay. We'll see. Okay, and now I'm just basically cutting right along the edge of my page and cutting the ribbon. Okay. Now that will kind of be like a overlay. And this is going to be kind of a simple page. I'm looking for my little words. Sorry guys, it's been one of those things where I've lost a lot of stuff these last few days. I think because it's under there the way it is, we might want a black word. And I like this word that says imagination. Oh well, wait a minute. Have we had an imagination? We don't want to repeat ourselves. No. So imagination works perfectly. And since I'm not sure how these words are how well they're sticking, I'm going to glue this down. Oh, that was good. It just turned right over on the sticky part. Okay. And I wanted to tie the, I think I want to tie the washi tape in by putting some washi tape in a couple of places on the page. Do I want to tear it? Do I want to cut it? I think I like torn. Okay, doesn't want to tear. There we go. Well, that's really kind of cute. I'm kind of liking that. Like I said, this washi tape is interesting in the fact that I don't know if you can see it online on the video, because it is transparent enough that I can see the dictionary page through it. And I got that one in there crooked, but that's okay. There. Very, very simple page. But I really liking how it's coming out. And I'm going to go around my little word with my pencil. Smudge it up a little. And of course we want to ink this. Oh, I think we're going to need some ink. And the organdy's not going to ink, so we're just going to have to ink the page under it. I want to try to do this just a little more up here. And of course we do our little squash it thing. Let's put this lid back on. Okay. There. I really like, it's very simple. But yet very, I think, very elegant. So this is our 13th page, and it's called Imagination. And guys, I really am glad you've come. I hope you're enjoying yourselves with this. This is from our 1001 Ways to Creativity. Sometimes I wonder how it's a way to creativity, but it's about creativity. Don't tell me the moon is shining. Show me the glint of light on broken glass. Anton Chekhov. Guys, have a great afternoon. Have fun. Make some art. Enjoy yourselves. Please, if you enjoy the videos, give it a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.